We are Fujairah Plastic Factories Group based in United Arab Emirates. We are 4 factories. We are expert in all type of food industrial section for the packaging. We are exhibiting in the different countries over the world, and this is the first time in Djazagro. We are happy that we are here more than almost 6 to 7 years we are in this market, and this is the first time we are planning to decide to go for Djazagro. As I said, we've been in this market more than 6 to 7 years, and we didn't touch more than 10% in this market. That's why we decide to go for Djazagro and to attend the exhibitions here, to extend our business.